sexual assault and murder which has been taken place in Bhor Talukya. As we have known, the final verdict will be taken place today in the case of the sexual assault and murder of 3.5-year-old girl from Nasrapur in Bhor Talukya, which has shaken the entire state of Maharashtra, is likely to be announced today. This is likely to be one of the fastest trial in the Maharashtra, with the entire case that has been investigated and with the culprit brought to justice in just 55 days. The entire horrific incident which has been taken place was on May 1st, 2026, that has sparked a wave of outrage across the state. Even the Pune Rural Police have done 1,200 pages of charge sheet to the court in the record time. The court has scheduled the verdict today, June 25th at 11 a.m. after the completion of the testimonial of witness, cross-examination and closing arguments of both the sides. If we try to understand the entire sequence of the event of this incident that has been taken place based on the evidence that has been presented in the court and the investigation, the full sequence of the event in this case is from May 1st to June 25th. So, as we have known, this incident that has been taken place was on May 1st. A 3.5-year-old innocent girl suddenly went missing from Nasrapur. Her body was found after some time. Even initial medical examination confirmed that she was sexually assaulted as well as murdered. And then on May 2nd, Pune Rural Police immediately took into the action and arrested the main suspect based on the CCTV footages, local intelligence and even the technical evidence, and the case of kidnapping as well as sexual assault and murder was registered against him. Then in the first week of the May 2026, Pune received with the autopsy of forensic examination report of the girl. Even police recorded the samples, clothes and other important physical evidence from this scene that has been taken place over there. During this time, citizens in Nasrapur, Bhor and entire Pune area took the streets to the protest and demanded the horrible punishment, that is the death penalty for the murderer. During this investigation, the police took the accused directly to the crime scene and reconstructed the entire crime, his DNA samples, witness statements and other forensic and scientific evidence that were collected. Then on May 16, 2026, within just 15 days of the crime, the police have filed about 1,200 pages of charge sheet in the special court as well. Then on May 28, the court officially framed charges against the accused and allowed the trial to begin on the fast-track basis. Then in the month of June, the prosecution presented scientific evidence effectively to the court. The testimonial and cross-examination of several witnesses were successfully, and the closing argument of both the sides began around June 20, 2026. The government side insisted and given the accused a severe punishment like death penalty or based on the evidence. Like as we have seen, and now today on June 25th, it is the final verdict will be taken place of the Nasrapur 3.5-year-old child. As we have seen, it has been started from May 1st till June 25th of 2026. Now we have to see it at 11 a.m. Final verdict will be taken place, and we will bring you all the minute-to-minute update from the district court itself. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.